Hi, my name is Justin Solakio. I'm an artist. Saying na pakisingit naman si Bam number 5 and si Kiko number 51 sa inyong mga balota. Kung hindi pa buo ang inyong mga balota, sila na lang po. Bam 51 and I'm sorry, Bam 5 and Kiko 51. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just my what I personally believe in. I don't actually do business with my art right now because I just want to develop it without having the responsibility of answering to anyone, including politicians. But however, I think a person who has won a Person of the Year, a TO Outstanding Young People Award for BAM, and Kiko, who has always been awarded for a lot of stuff, is someone to really take a look at when it comes to choosing your senator. Also, wag po tayong magpadala sa mga nagbibigay ng kung ano-ano. Bibigay lang yan ngayon. Tapos yan, masungit na yan afterwards. Kasi wala nang makukuha sa inyo. So anyway, Kiko at BAM, marangal ng mga tao, hindi mang babribe. Kiko 51, BAM number 5. Vote!